Hi everyone, I'm Chanel from Stampin Stilettos, and I'm back to let you know that Gorgeous has arrived back home. Now I am doing an around the world travel journal, junk journal, just like this one, but it is going to be made up with bits and pieces from all of you lovely subscribers that have signed up for this project. So let's have a look what happened with Gorgeous. Now we have a lovely card here. Now Gorgeous went to visit a lady called Jane in Cardiff, and she had a wonderful time. She said she had a lovely time with Jane, and they were crafting and met her family, but I was homesick, so I just needed to come home. But I did bring you some things back with me from Cardiff, and that's from the lovely Jane from the Crafting Shed Davis. And let's have a look what Gorgeous has brought back. And she has brought back a flag, a Welsh flag that would be great to put in the journal. I have already made a cover for this junk journal. I just need to make the pages, and I've got some gorgeous washi tape here and ribbon, some paper clips. Let's have a look at tassel. Oh, a lovely handmade it's like a wooden plaque with kindest wishes. That would look lovely in the journal. And a Welsh pin badge with the gorgeous is that daffodil? I couldn't even get my words out. Excuse me if I sound different. I've had some dental work done, and I'm getting used to my bridge, so I do sound a bit different. I'm so sorry. Let's have a look what we've got here. Oh, we have some gorgeous charms, which will be gorgeous for our junk journals and planners. Oh, how cute. Oh, just adorable. So as you can see, Gorgeous came back with lots of goodies. Now she's going to have a day with me, and then she's going to be off visiting Lynn in Aylesbury. Now she has a really big itinerary, and I shall just give you an idea. So she's just been to Cardiff, she's going to go to Aylesbury, and then she is going to go to Alabama, USA, to visit Stephanie, and then she's going to come back and go to Doncaster, then to Indiana, and then back to the UK to visit Louisa in New Milton, Hants. Then she's going to Monique in Australia, and then she'll be coming back, and then she's going to Spain, and then back here to Gateshead, Tyne and Wear, and then she's going back to Australia again. Now I have a feeling that, well, I not have a feeling, I have lots of people interested in this project, and so that you're not all waiting for like months and months and months to be part of this, what I might do is actually hold fire. Just wait there for 1 second. I'll tell you exactly what I'm going to do. Okay, now, as you know, Gorgeous has been travelling, and we have lots of people interested in this project, but because she's travelling and coming back, I don't want you all waiting. So this is what we're going to do. Gorgeous has two sisters called Grace and Georgia, and they all want to travel, you see. Obviously I'm whistling, got my new thing and I'm whistling. Please don't laugh at me at home. It's so embarrassing. I just hope it gets better. It sounds like I've got a bit of chewing gum stuck in my mouth. Apparently I'll get used to it. It's almost like a brace at the back that is temporary. But yeah, so I'm so sorry. Anyway, so we have Gorgeous, we have Grace, and we have Georgia, and they all want to travel. Now we're doing two projects. One to make this travel journal, but also to see how far Gorgeous could travel. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add up all of the miles that they each do, and we're going to put it in the planner as a combined mileage. So Gorgeous has just come back from Cardiff and she's going to have a little rest for a day. Now Grace is going to go off and visit Lynn, and then Georgia is going to go off and visit where are we? Stephanie in Alabama. And then whoever comes back the first will go back out to the next person on the list, and so on and so on. So we're still doing the same project, but we have 3 sisters that are traveling, but we are going to combine the miles all together and tally them up. So watch this space. So all these 3 girls will be going out to the next 3 people on the list. So I hope that made sense. If not, please email me for more information. So we are doing this travel journal, and when you receive one of the girls who signed up, all you need to do, I'm going to send you out some goodies, scrapbooking for your junk journal. All you need to do is send me back either a bit of paper, a postcard, ribbon, I don't know, whatever you want to send back. It doesn't have to be much, but you can send little or a lot, whatever you want to do. And then I'm going to make a journal just like this, but it's going to be a travel one, as you can see from the lovely cover that we have already made. So I'll be doing the first couple of pages this week. So thank you very much, Jane. Gorgeous is going to go and have a little nap now, as she's a little bit tired, and the girls are going to pack and get ready to go on their travels. They're so excited. See you all very soon. Bye-bye.